How to mine Ethereum Classic on Windows and HiveOS. In this video, we are going to see a tutorial step by step on how to mine Ethereum Classic both in Windows and in HiveOS. But before we start, as I always say in these videos, if you like the tutorial, you can always give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Not only that, but if you want to subscribe, we made a full list of how to mine Neoxa, how to mine Flux, how to mine Ethereum Classic, how to mine Conflux, all of them, okay? So you can find them in the channel and you can subscribe. That is totally free. If you have any questions about the video, you can always leave them in the comments down below and we'll try to help you. And if you want fastest help, you can always write us on Instagram. You have the link down below, you can write us down and we'll try to help you. And with all that said, I only have to add that if you are looking for ASIC miners, we have our own shop, you have it in the link down below. And with all that said, now yes, for sure, let's start. Okay, so here we are and we are going to start with Windows, okay? You'll have timestamps, so you can go to the part that you need if you want to do it in HiveOS. But we're gonna start for Windows. What do we need to mine Ethereum Classic? The first thing we need is a wallet. I'm gonna use Binance. You have the links of all of these in the description, by the way. I'm gonna use Binance because I think it's the most comfortable, but if you want to use another one, you can use another wallet, okay? Any wallet that has the original network of Ethereum Classic is, you can use it, it's normal. So in Binance, we'll go to wallet, fiat, and spot, okay? And in here, we will find Ethereum Classic. We'll have here where it says search coin, we'll put ETC. And here we'll go to Ethereum Classic deposit, okay? In deposit, now we'll just select the network, we'll go to Ethereum Classic, ETC, and we'll copy the address, okay? This is the address of our wallet, this is what we need. After this, what do we need? We need a program to be able to mine. We'll use T-Rex Miner because it's very comfortable, but you can use any that you want, to be completely honest. There's no need for a specific miner program. And then you need a pool. We are going to use 2 miners, okay? And lastly, it's not actually compulsory 100%, but it's very recommendable to do overclock so your graphic card doesn't get that hot. So we'll use the MSI Afterburner, okay? That's all we need. So what are we gonna do? First, we're gonna download the mining program, okay? This is the program. I already downloaded it, okay? Is this program over here, T-Rex well, in my case 25 because it's my version, you'll have a different one, but it's basically a zip file, okay? What do I recommend? Creating a folder, okay? Putting it in that folder and then doing right click and extract here, okay? When you do that, all these files are going to appear. That's why I put it in a folder, because if you don't put it in a folder, it can be chaos. There's too many files. And here we are going to look for the one that says Ethereum Classic to miners, because it's the pool we are going to use. But one point, if you're in Windows, sometimes your computer recognizes the file that you're downloading, this one, the T-Rex, as a virus. So what should you do to not have this problem? Well, you should open Windows Defender, you should go to protection against antivirus, configuration of antivirus, and then go down where it says exclusions, and you should create an exclusion, okay? I create exclusion, you select a folder, and you select the folder where you're mining. In my case is Minero, which is this folder that I opened, and you do select folder, and that way the antivirus won't look in this folder, okay? This is the way that the antivirus won't say that it's a virus. It's not a virus, okay? It's a normal program, but mining programs sometimes are recognized as a virus. At least I don't have this problem with T-Rex, but sometimes you have it with others. So yeah, that way you won't have the problems with the Windows Defender. But in general, okay, you put everyone in a folder, not only because of that, but because of the amount of files that you have. Okay, so once we download it and we extract it, what should we do? Let's continue. First, the thing we do is we find the Ethereum Classic, because it's what we're gonna mine, 2 miners, okay? This is the file we are gonna use to mine. So instead of doing double click, we do right click and we do edit, okay? And here we will have to edit the configuration so it mines to our wallet. We'll put here our wallet and we check that the pool is correct, okay? So first, the wallet, we just copy our wallet from Binance, okay? We do copy and then we just paste it here, okay? We select this wallet that comes by default and we paste ours. In my case, it was already mine because I was already mining with it, but you just put that, okay? Apart from that, we have to select the pool. We have to make sure that the configuration for the server is correct. So for that, we go to our pool. It's not this one, sorry, I opened the wrong page. We go to the pool, to 2 miners, okay? And we go to where it says Ethereum Classic. We click in Ethereum Classic and we click in here where it says quick guide. I don't know how it translates to Spanish directly. And here we open again our nodes. And as you can see in mine, it says ethereumclassic.tominers.com 1010. And we have it here. So this is the server for Europe. In my case, it's okay because I live in Europe. But if you live in the US or close to the US, you want to put US/ and then Ethereum Classic. Okay, you have it here, US and then Ethereum Classic. In my case, I'm gonna leave it how it is. If you're from Europe, you probably won't have to change anything, but check it because sometimes the numbers change, and if your version is older, you'll have to change it and all those things. So here you just go to save, okay, you save the file, and that's all. technically, if you do double click now, you will start mining. We won't do it because I'm recording and the computer would crash. But most important, you should do overclocks, okay? Overclocks will make your graphic card use less electricity, mine better, cooler. So it's very important to do overclocks. So what are we gonna do to do these overclocks? Well, we are going to download this program, which is called Afterburner by MSI, as I said before. It's very standard program, it's very nice. You just download it, okay, and you do install it, yes. And once you install it, you'll have this program over here, MSI Afterburner. We open it, and in this program, it's gonna let us change some settings, like the core clock of our memory card, the memory clock, the voltage or the power limit, and the fan. In my case, voltage and fan doesn't appear because I'm in a laptop, but in a normal computer, it will appear, okay? And also it tells us the temperature. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna put the good setups of core clock and memory clock. But Pedro, what is the good setup for core clock and memory clock? Well, for that, there is a page that I recommend, which is called hashrate.no, okay? You just go to hashrate.no and it's gonna tell you, okay, which graphic card you have. Here you go to the graphic card that you have. In my case, it is the 360 Ti LHR, and here it's going to tell you which coin is giving the most profit, etc, etc. We'll go to Ethereum Classic because it's the one we want to mine, so we'll go there, and here it tells you the overclocks that you need, okay? So we would open the Afterburner and we would put in core clock, we would put 1380, and in memory clock we'll put 900, okay? Not 1800, that's for HiveOS, for Linux. For Windows we'll put 900, okay? We put it here, and then power limit, it will appear over here. You put the power limit on 165, and that's basically it. You click on save, and now you will be mining with that configuration. What do we do now? We just open our mining file, which is basically miner and Ethereum 2 miners, and we'll leave it open, okay? I'm gonna close it, but you would leave it open, and now you will start mining. Here you want to check the temperature while you are mining to check that it is under 55 or 60 degrees. I mean, it's not compulsory that it's under 60, but it's the best to do, because if it's too hot, it can be bad for the graphic card. So how can you manage that? You can put the fans higher or lower to make the graphic card more cool, okay? That's what I'm doing. You can set up in the fan part here, you can choose, and just try to keep it under 55, if possible, degrees Celsius. So you just put it in like 75, 90, you just try different combinations until it's stable and under the temperature that you want, okay? We make it small again. And the last thing that I need to add for Windows is, how do you get paid? When do you get paid? How does that work? Well, in that case, for everything related to getting paid is in the pool. The pool is the one who's paying you. So how do we check that? We go to the pool and we put our address, again, where we are getting paid. We paste it and we check in the pool. And here we are gonna have all the statistics, how much we earn, when are we getting paid, all those things, okay? To miners pays every day if you have enough money to the threshold. The threshold is the amount that you have to have mined to be able to get paid. And that threshold you can change here. We set options of the account. And here you can see right now I have it on 0.1 ETC, which is around €3 or $3, because right now it's almost the same. So yeah, when I reach that amount, 0.1 ETC, the next day they will send me. It takes 24 hours to send. And to select the amount that you want, if you want to put 1 ETC, you want to put 100 ETC, that depends on how you want. The bigger amount, the less amount of payments you're going to have, so the less commissions you're going to pay. They will ask you for your IP. I leave a link in the description that says my IP. You can click in there. It will tell you what your IP is, because I cannot show you. If I show you, you can change my computer, so that is not good. Don't show that to anybody. You just put it there and you go in save, and that's all, okay? Also interesting, go to notifications and put your mail. That way they will send you a mail when the computer crashes, when the mining rig crashes, and that way you can restart it. I think it's very important, at least that's what I think. So I always put it. And that's basically all. So in a quick resume, in a nutshell, you basically need to get your wallet. Whether using Binance, you just copy your wallet, then you download the mining program, which is T-Rex. If you have problem with the antivirus, you create an exclusion. In this program, you just edit the file, you do right click and edit, and you make sure that you put your wallet, and then you make sure also in the pool that the address of the server is the correct one if you are in Europe or the US, okay? Once you do that, you save the file, okay? You just save it, and then you download the overclock program, which is MSI Afterburner. You open it, you put the overclocks that you find on hashrate.no. After, you can play with them if you want to make it mine a little bit higher, but until you find something that is stable, okay? This is not like the Bible, you can change them, it depends on every graphic card. You change them a little bit, and then you launch the program, and you will be mining, okay? It's that simple on Windows, it's not too complicated. I hope it was easy. If you like, as I said, if you think that is useful, please, a like helps a lot for the YouTube algorithm. If you want anything, if you want any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, and if you want more videos, you can always subscribe. And now we will pass to HiveOS. So, if you come here from HiveOS, how do we mine Ethereum Classic in HiveOS? It's super simple, okay? I still don't have a tutorial on how to download HiveOS or how to use HiveOS. Hopefully I'll have them soon and I can put them here because I would like to, but I don't have them yet. What do you have to do in HiveOS? HiveOS, you just go to your farm and then you go to flight seat. Okay, we are going to create a new flight seat to tell our computer to mine in a different way, mine a different coin. Super easy. You just go in coins and we select which coin we want to mine, which is Ethereum Classic, and then it will ask us for a wallet. Okay, in case you didn't saw the first part of Windows, I'm gonna use Binance. You can use any wallet you want that is from the Ethereum Classic network. So here we go to wallet, we go to fiat spot in the case of Binance. And from there, I'm sorry if I'm going too fast, I'll try to be slower now. We go in search coins, we click ETC, okay, ETC, and it will show Ethereum Classic here. We go on deposit, and on deposit we select the network that we need. We'll use the Ethereum Classic network, and then we go to copy. We copy this address, okay? Once we copy it, we go to add wallet, we paste our wallet, we give it a name, whatever you want to name it, then we save as global wallet, and then we create it, okay? Once created, I already created mine, Ethereum Classic Binance. You choose it, okay? And once choose, now you have to choose the pool. For the pool, I'm gonna use still 2 miners. I like 2 miners, I think it's very useful. If you want to use another one, you can use another one, okay? But for me, I use 2 miners. I select my region, which is EU. If you want to use US, you can use US. You do apply, and then you select your miner. In miner, you can use LOL miner. I think is the most recommended, but I use T-Rex. I just like it. And then you just put a name to the flight seat, like ETC flight seat, for example. Whatever you want, you can put the name that you want, and you create the flight seat, okay? Once created, you go to workers, which is your mining rig that you're gonna change. You click in your mining rig, you go to flight seat inside your mining rig, and now you select this new flight seat that you created. You click on the rocket, and you click on apply, okay? This is not nothing real. You're not gonna be charged anything, so you just apply it and you will start to mine Ethereum Classic. But it's important to change the overclocks to mine well, the best of Ethereum Classic, the best amount, and to have the cards cooler, etc, etc. So for that we are going to go to hashrate. No, that's the page I use to get my overclocks. So here you would go to NVIDIA 360 Ti LHR, which is my model. In my case, you take the model of your graphic card and then you choose what you want to mine. In my case, Ethereum Classic. And here, as you can see, it says core 1380. So we would go to our overclocks and we would put here 1380. I have 1400, and this one is minus 400 because it's not the LHR version, it's the other one, so it's a little bit different. But in this one is 1400, which is basically the same as 1380. It was not too stable, so I changed it a little bit. Memory 1800. Memory, I have it on 2000. You can put 1800 also. And then the power limit 165. Okay, I think that's the same, power 165. And here with that you will get the best results. Again, you can tweak it a little bit, depends on every graphic card, has different choices, but in general with that you'll get good results. And here you can manage the fan to have those cards cool. Okay, it's important that they are under 60 degrees. You can see this one is literally on the limit, and I'm mining 59 megahash. It's very similar to Ethereum, actually. It's the same algorithm, just from the past, so you should get a very similar algorithm. Actually, it's telling me that I'm getting a lot compared to what I should be getting, because I know 58, yeah, 58, I'm getting 59. Yeah, I think it's alright. You'll get very similar to what you get in Ethereum. I think even with the same algorithm as in Ethereum, it's just they use a little bit more of electricity for what I have seen. But yeah, that's basically all. And with that, you will be mining. How do I get paid, Pedro? How does the pool work? Well, if you want to know how you get paid, how are you doing, everything is from the pool. So you just go to the website of 2 miners, and here it says put your address of your wallet. You just paste it. Okay, we got it in Binance here before, so you have it here. You just paste it, and here you can see how much you have been earning, how much they are gonna pay you, all the statistics. Okay, you can check everything. What I think is important to change is first in options of the account, you can change when they pay you. I have it on 0.1, which is when I get to 0.1 Ethereum Classic, they'll send to me. You can change it to whatever you want. The minimum is 0.1, the maximum is 100 Ethereum Classic. The less transactions you can get, the less commissions you're gonna pay. They pay you every day. Okay, every day they have one time where they pay. So if you reach the threshold, you can get paid. It's that simple. For that, you're gonna need to put your IP address to confirm that is yourself. So for that, you just go to your miner, you go to overview, and you go down to where it says remote IP, remote IP, and you just paste it there. Okay, and you just put it there. I'm not gonna show it because if I show it, you can hack me, kind of. So I'm not gonna put it. And apart from that, you go to notifications, okay, and here you should put your mail, so when it goes down it stopped mining it false, you can change it. Okay, it's that simple. You get a message and you can reboot it and show everything is done. So yeah, that's basically all. As I said, HiveOS is very easy. You just create a flight set and you change the overclocks, much easier than Windows. And I think I talked about everything. If you like the tutorial, again, if you find it useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, if you want to find the rest of the videos, you have in the channel. And if you have any comments at all, put them in the comments and we'll try to answer you. And with all that said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!